Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 7.4 for 6th standard children. Children, solve each of the following and check the solution. So I am going to solve this algebraic expression. Listen, 4y plus 1 is equal to 17. Here I am going to find out the value for y. 4y plus 1 and 17 both are what? Equal, and here y value I am going to find out. Okay. After finding this y value, I am going to substitute in the equation whether my equation or balance. Is it understand? The side 1, see 4y plus 1 is what? Side 1, and 17 is what? Your side 2, for example. So my side 1 and side 2 become what? Balance. So first we will find out the value for y. Here 4y means a operation which is a into, that is multiplication. 4 into y. 4y means what? 4 into y. So listen, 4y is equal to, see here plus 1 is there. When it will move to the equal that side, it becomes what? Minus 1. Write the 17 as it is. So 17 minus 1. Is it clear? See plus 1, when I move to the equal that side, what it becomes? Minus 1. So already 17 is there in the equation. So write that 17 as it is. Now listen, 4y which is in your left hand side, what is there? 4y. 17 minus 1 is what? When I am subtracting these two, 16 I can get. Now listen, here I am going to find out the y value. See, when the plus symbol moves to the equation right side, it becomes minus. Same thing, inverse operation. Okay. So here multiplication, here 4 is in the multiplication. When it moves to that equal to that side, it becomes what? Division. Operation becomes what? Inverse. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes division, as well division becomes multiplication. So inverse operation takes place when it moves from left to right or right to left, whatever it may be. Got it? Now 4y is equal to what? 16. Now listen children. So y is equal to 16 by 4. I said no, 4 is in multiplication. Now it is what? Inverse operation, which is what? Division. Okay. Now I can cancel this. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Okay. By factor. So y is equal to what? 4. See, after I am solving this equation, I am going to check whether what I can get it is correct or not. I am going to check this. So listen, to check, I am going to substitute here y value. Listen, 4 into, instead of y, I am going to substitute this 4. So 4 into 4 plus 1, which is equal to what? 17. See, this is your equation. Now listen, 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1 is what? 17. So 17 is equal to 17. My LHS is equal to what? RHS. LHS and RHS are equal. So hence the answer is correct. Can you clear this? First I am going to solve the equation. After solving the equation, I can get the value for y. After getting the value, whether it is a correct or a wrong answer, what I am going to do that? I am going to check. See, in the given equation. Okay. Now, after substituting, I can get my LHS is equal to RHS. So, my answer is correct. Hence, the answer is Hence my answer is what? Correct. Can you understand this? Once if your LHS is equal to RHS, then only your answer is correct. What you are solving the equation which is correct. Got it? Shall I move on to the next sum, children? Listen. Here, see, in the side 1 you are having 2x plus 1. And side 2, that is RHS, LHS you are having 2x plus 1, and in the RHS you are having x plus 22. Now I am going to balance this equation. Okay, now I am going to balance this equation. Listen, see, this 2x plus x is what? Variables. So segregate in one side. And this 1 and 22 are constant numbers. So this you segregate in another side. So variables you can segregate in left hand side, as well as the constant numbers, numerical numbers you can arrange in the right hand side. I said that when it moves to the equal this side or that side, the operation become inverse. What it become? Inverse. Plus means minus, minus means plus. So listen, 2x. Now I am going to solve as well as I am going to check this equation. Got it? So 2x and bring that x variable to the left hand side. So here plus, so it becomes what? Minus. The operation becomes inverse. So 2x minus x equal is there. Now keep it this 22 as it is. Okay, 22 as it is. Now plus 1 it becomes what? Minus 1, because it is coming for that right side, left to right. X right to left. So inverse operation. Now see my variable here 2x minus x. 2x minus x is what? For example, 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Here the variables are there. So I can write to be what? 1x. So 1x is equal to what? X. 1x is equal to what? X. Can you clear this? So 2x minus x is x. 22 minus 1 is what? 21. So here I am solving the solution. Okay, I am solving the solution and I am going to check with the equation. Listen, to check, listen, 2 into 21 plus 1 is equal to 21 plus 22. Just you multiple this, it is in the bracket, so you can multiple. Okay, 2 into 21, just 21 2s are what? 42. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 42 plus 1 is equal to, when I am adding this 21 and 22, what is my answer? 21 I am adding with 22, what is the answer? 43. Okay, now write this sum here, 43. Now again one more step I have to do. 42 plus 1 is what? 43. So 43 is equal to 43. So my LHS is equal to RHS. Once if my LHS is equal to RHS, my answer is what? Correct. Is it clear? Answer. Hence, the answer is correct. Can you clear this? Hence, the answer is correct. First, you solve the equation and what is the value you are getting? Substitute to check. Once after checking your LHS and RHS are equal, your answer is correct. Shall I move on to the third sum? Listen, same thing. What we have done for the second sum, same thing. Listen, 5x minus 8 is equal to minus 2x plus 6. Listen. See, listen. You have to variable 5x and 2 minus 2x are the variables and 8 and 6 are the constant numbers. Got it? So, here I am going to solve this equation. Now listen. Listen. 5x, keep it in the left hand side 5x. See, in the right hand side minus 2x is there, send it to the side. So, minus become what? Plus. So, plus 2x. Is it clear? Next, keep that equation equal. It is what? 6 is already there in the right hand side, keep it that. And what is in the left hand side? Minus 8 is there. So, send it to the right side. So, it becomes what? Plus 8. Okay. I am going to balance the equation. So, 5x plus 2x is equal to 6 plus 8. Now, listen. 5x plus 2x, which is what? 7x. Next, 6 plus 8, which is what? 14. Got it? Got it? So, in the left hand side also I am adding the variables and in the right hand side constant numbers I am adding here. So, 5x plus 2x, which is 7x, and 6 plus 8 is 14. See this. Here I am going to find out the value for x. 7x is there. So, which is what? 7 into x, inverse operation, because multiplication 7, when it moves to this side, it becomes what? Division. Okay. So, plus into 7, it becomes what? Division. So, now I can cancel this by using the factors. Okay. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So, x is equal to 2. Got it? X value, I have got the x value to be what? 2. Now, I am going to check this. What I am going to do here? I am going to check. We can check this in the given equation. So, listen. 5 into, instead of x, I am going to substitute the value to be what? 2. Got it? Instead of x, I am going to substitute this 2. Okay. So, 5x, which is what? 5 into x. So, 5 into 2. And what is there? Minus 8 is there. Next, what is given here? Equal. What is there? Minus 2. Instead of x, I am going to substitute the 2 there. And what is there? Plus 6. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, 5 2s are 10 minus 8 is equal to minus 2 into 2, which is what? Minus 4 plus 6. So, listen. 10 minus 8, which is what? 2. Okay. Here, 6 minus 4, which is what? 2. So, listen. 2 is equal to 2. So, my LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. So, the answer. What is the answer? Hence the answer is correct. Once the LHS is equal to RHS, your answer is correct. Got it, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen. 2x by 7 is equal to 6. Here I am going to find out the x value. I am going to solve this equation. So, listen. 2x, 7 is in the division. So, when it moves this side, it becomes what? Into. So, 6 into 7. So, 2x is equal to 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. Now, x is equal to 42 by 2. 42 by 2. Can you clear this? So here the multiplication 2 is there. So inverse. So for that it becomes what? Division. Now by using the factor I can cancel this. 2 ones are 2 21s are. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 21. So or else I can cross multiply this. It is in the division by 7. So 6 into 7, which is what? 42. Okay. Now I am going to check this. To check. Okay. Listen. 2 into 21 by 7. Instead of x I am going to substituting here 21. So which is equal to what? 6. Listen, I can cancel this. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So what is there? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. So 6 is equal to 6. Now listen, my LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? LHS is equal to RHS. So my answer is correct. Hence the answer is correct. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? Listen, shall we move on to the next sum? Listen, what is the difference between the previous sum and this sum? Here it is a statement. We have to frame the equation and then we have to solve the equation. But for the first sum, they itself given the equation, only the thing we have to solve it and we are going to check. But here statement they are given, you have to frame the equation. After framing the equation, you have to find the solution for that. Got it? Now listen. You have to frame the equation. The sum of a number and 21. So I don't know that number. The sum of a number and 21. So instead of and I have to put what? Plus 21 equals. Equals means what? Equal to 30. Equal to 30. Find the number. I don't know the number. The sum of a number, but I don't know. But I know that a number which is 21 and number to be what? Sum. Sum means I am going to plus that. Equals is there. So equal to 30. What is that number? So an unknown number I can take to be the x. Let the unknown number I have taken to be what? Let the number be x. Got it? Let the number be what? X. Frame a equation, sum of a number. So x and so plus 21 equal to 30. Can you clear this? So according to the statement I have framed the equation. Sum, so for that plus a number plus 30, sorry, number plus 21 is equal to 30. So here what I am going to do here, x is equal to plus 21, inverse operation, plus 21 becomes what? Minus 21. Okay, so 30 minus 21. So 30 minus 21, what is the answer? 9. So x is equal to 9. Now I am going to write the answer. The number is 9. We can check this. Okay, once if you want to find the whether what is the answer correct means you can check here. Okay, 9 plus 21 is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 30. So what we are find out, it is a correct. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, Please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you.